I just want to share a little thing with you, a little video with you today. So today what I have here right now, I have some CERASEE, some dry CERASEE, and I have some soursop leaf. So I'll be right back with you guys. I'm gonna wash them and then get back to you guys.
Y'all better can't cook. Think you that you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back. Put all these two ingredients together and I'm gonna boil them in my pan over there. So as you all know, soursop, the benefits of soursop, it is high in vitamin C. It strengthens your immune system, and you know that it's good for fever if you have it's good for hypertension also, and they said it's good for cancer treatment. I don't know how true that be, but growing up I always hear that. And as you all know, the benefits of CERASEE, it can lower your cholesterol, it can lower your blood sugar, and if you have menstrual cramp, like you know most ladies, they have terrible menstrual pain, you can drink it and it will help you, and it can relieve constipation, because you know a lot of people suffer from constipation. So that's the benefit of the CERASEE and the benefit of the soursop. So I'm gonna boil my two ingredients right now and I'm gonna show you guys. You can see guys, I have my water there, so I'm gonna put in my, this is my soursop leaf and this is my CERASEE. So I'm gonna let them boil. And as you all know, CERASEE is very bitter, but I like it. I normally drink like for like not every day, but every week, for 2 times for the week, I will drink a cup because it's really good. And I don't add sugar into my tea, guys. I drink my tea just like that. I don't drink sugar in my tea. Now that my tea is finished, I'm gonna strain it off and I'm gonna enjoy my tea. So I just make 1 cup. So I'm straining it off in my strainer. And as I said guys, I don't take sugar in my tea. I'm gonna drink it just like that. So look at this tea. Look at this tea. If you guys have honey, you can add it, but I'm not gonna put anything inside. I'm gonna drink it just like that. Guys, I'm about to enjoy my tea right now. It's so bitter, but it's good and it tastes real good. Apart from being bitter, but I like it. So guys, you know what time is it? To share this video, like up this video, comment down below, let me know what you think about this natural soursop and CERASEE tea. And if you're not sorry guys. So guys, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Please like up this video, share this video out, comment down below, let me know what you think about this lovely cup of tea right here. And you know, soursop and CERASEE got a lot of benefits. So guys, it's about that time. I'm gonna cut this video and I'm gonna say bye until next time. I hope you all enjoyed this little video. Thanks again guys, and I appreciate you all so much. Bye. Let me take a sip for you all.